When you think of southeastern San Diego, what typically comes to mind? Broken roads and dusty hills, immigrant neighborhoods. You may imagine a community pushed to the outskirts of San Diego. But this is not entirely accurate. Indeed, if you just go to southeastern San Diego and talk to the people there, you will hear a different story. Our focus is on a hidden treasure in the Encanto neighborhood, nestled in between the MLK Highway and Millennial Tech Middle School. It is called EarthLab, a UC San Diego community station run by Groundwork San Diego. EarthLab is a 4-acre space dedicated to environmental education that transforms its students into stewards of the future. In this neighborhood, only 23.5% of adults 25 and older have a higher education degree. EarthLab is doing its part to prepare students for higher education by helping increase their test scores and improve their chances of getting into and going to college. After this summer's elementary science academy, students' EarthLab test scores increased by 43% on average. After the middle school science academy, EarthLab test scores increased by 34% on average. EarthLab doesn't work like a traditional classroom, nor is it meant to. The uniqueness of EarthLab comes from its outdoor environment and the promotion of experiential learning in the quote-unquote wild, as a complement to standardized learning. Every student learns differently. For some, normative methods of drill and repeat are not the most conducive for meaningful engagement and critical inquiry. Not every student is suited to learning in an indoor learning environment. As shown here, when one observes a given student in the traditional setting, the classroom, the student often has trouble concentrating. The student may absorb the material, but he lacks the experiential component of learning. EarthLab provides that component. This morning's lesson in the classroom is about water quality. At the EarthLab, the student takes the lesson a step further by making a water filter using a variety of materials, ranging from rocks to charcoal, in order to improve water quality. Notice how he becomes fully engrossed in this hands-on lesson. The student tests his creation with a cup of dirty water.
It's pushing everything.
How clean is the water? Can I see how clean the water is?
When he returns to the classroom, he shares what he's learned at EarthLab.
The guy. What do you think we could say? So that's one way, but is that the only way you learn? How many different...
This shows how EarthLab activities reinforce the material covered in class.
How would we put that in a plan to tell someone when they said to you, how do you capture water?
Here we observe another student. Today's lesson is about the importance of water conservation. At the EarthLab, this student actively engages in discussion with his peers and teachers. He pitches in to help his group decide how they should allocate their water usage. Again, EarthLab activities provide students the chance to learn in a hands-on way.
What is our priority? Our most important farms and homes. Do you agree? Is that what he's doing? Isaiah, do you agree? Farms and homes is your biggest priority? No?
No, I think power companies could.
Power companies? So we could get electricity?
What is that? Yeah.
Because of the EarthLab's unique features, some students that typically don't thrive in the traditional classroom setting are able to achieve their potential here. It is a complementary experience that is crucial for students in an increasingly demanding educational system. EarthLab is not just a place. It is a network of all the different people, places, and programs involved in creating a future for the children of the Encanto neighborhood.
I love to see the connections that they make. So they make connections with nature, they make connections with plants and animals, they make connections with the teachers and the staff, and they make connections with EarthLab as a facility within their community where they can go and enjoy and learn about nature.
It exposes and connects students to their local environment while teaching them about science and nature. EarthLab is in essence the future of Encanto.
I just want to represent the EarthLab by keeping food webs, and I just want to represent the EarthLab by just keeping the animals safe, making sure like the animals get water, whatever they need to survive. And that's why I like the EarthLab.